And I really think it's going to open up, it's going to be the support system for so many youngsters.
Start करें?
Yes.
How do you think, sir, the platforms like Apex Fashion Lab is shaping the future of Indian entrepreneurship? Like,
First of all, Rishabh, thank you for having me here today.
thank you.
It's very rare that I stick over at a place for more than 2 hours, but I've been here for 4.5 hours today, and the lunch was excellent. So thank you for the lunch. You people are doing some fantastic things. You're mentoring young founders in the field of fashion industry. It's very complicated. It's not as easy as people think.
True, sir.
From designs on paper, and then through the designs on the computer, and then to selecting the fabrics, getting everything right, to sourcing the right manufacturing partner, and making sure that your end product looks exactly how you wanted it to when it was first conceptualized. You're doing some fantastic work, and I really think it's going to open up, it's going to be the support system for so many youngsters who wish to get into the fashion industry, and really excited and happy with the kind of things you're doing.
Thank you, Claire. And second question is, sir, you have saw the pictures here, right? So you are pretty great personality in this field. So you keep visiting those places where this kind of events used to happen.
Right.
So like, what difference you can see in the pictures that we had today, and what pictures that you used to see in any other events? Do you can see like any changes that Apex brought in them?
The founding pictures were very professional. They were not just PowerPoint presentations.
Yeah.
Each of them had a soul to it. And generally, when you listen to a founder speaking, in a few minutes you get to know whether the founder is speaking from their heart or is just making up some stories. So I found most of the founders here were actually speaking from the heart, are truly passionate about their venture, and it shows the amount of commitment and hard work that's gone into it. And I generally bet on these things. I don't look at the product. I'm not looking at the pricing. I'm only looking at how sincere and passionate the founder is. I found some of them really passionate. I'm going to have some meetings with a few of them at my office. I'll probably invest in their ventures too.
Yeah.
That's the one.
Great. And like, you have seen the pictures, you have seen the potential that they have, right? The intent that they have shown today. So do you think that any of the pictures or any of the brands that we have shown today have the potential to go for IPO, because you are from investing space?
I'm not taking the names.
Yeah.
I don't want the names to go public.
Yeah.
Because I want to be an investor on them myself. So I'm surely going to speak to a few of them. And I see a lot of potential and a lot of hard work. Yes.
Great. So thank you, sir. That was all from my end.